Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen from water. This fascinating process, known as electrolysis, involves splitting water molecules into their constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen. It's a fundamental chemical reaction that requires a few basic components. We'll go through each step, from gathering your materials to observing the gas production, ensuring you understand the science behind it. Let's dive in and explore this exciting experiment together. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need a 9-volt battery as your power source, 2 pencils or carbon rods to act as electrodes, and a clear container filled with water. For better conductivity, dissolve about 1 teaspoon of salt or baking soda into the water. This electrolyte solution will significantly improve the efficiency of the electrolysis process, allowing the electric current to flow more easily and split the water molecules effectively. Now, let's set up the experiment. Connect one wire from the positive terminal of your 9-volt battery to one electrode and another wire from the negative terminal to the second electrode. Carefully submerge both electrodes into the salt water, ensuring they do not touch each other. You'll quickly notice small bubbles forming at both electrodes. These bubbles are the gases being produced, hydrogen at the negative electrode and oxygen at the positive electrode. As the electrolysis continues, you'll observe a clear difference in the amount of gas produced. The negative electrode, connected to the battery's negative terminal, will generate approximately twice as much hydrogen gas as the oxygen gas produced at the positive electrode. This ratio, 2 parts hydrogen to 1 part oxygen, directly reflects the chemical formula of water, H2O. It's a fantastic visual demonstration of basic chemistry in action.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.